Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send BNB from Bitmart to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase Wallet. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Here, you'll see your BNB balance. Click on it to select the withdraw option. Next, you'll need your Coinbase wallet address. Open your Coinbase app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the BNB specific address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Back on Bitmart, paste that address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to enter the amount of BNB you want to send. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose the BNB Smart Chain for faster, cheaper transfers if available. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter that to finalize the transaction. Now, sit tight. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour for the BNB to show up in your Coinbase wallet, depending on network traffic. And just like that, you're done. Remember, security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check the help sections or reach out to customer support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.